This is how to import data into 1Password. From your dashboard, go to your profile, click this drop-down menu, and go to Import Data. Then scroll down and choose CSV, or if you have other applications, you can use like LastPass, but we will use CSV file. Then click Continue and choose a vault, and I will choose private. Click Continue, and we will select our CSV file from our computer. And I'll just open this CSV file. Click Continue. Then you can confirm item types. I have this login credentials. You can also choose credit card or secure note. Click Continue. And we will select the correct labels. So let's set this as title. This is the URL. So let's go to website. And for our username, let's set this username. And we will set this as password, and that's all. So we will click continue. And we will just import anyway. And you can view the imported items. And we have the imported items here on our vault. So this is how to import data into 1Password.